Alright, here we are. There she is. Alright, so we're up on the roof. We're gonna climb down this tree down there and get down there.
Okay.
So here we are. An old Rush-Copley. Wow, this is cool.
This is like the old reception area.
Yeah, wow. Holy shit, man.
This is the old, like, where people used to come in, I guess.
Yeah, and check in.
Yeah. Cashier. Hey, Joe. Just told you. Oh my God. This is the basement I've never been in.
You've never been down here?
Oh, well, this part is always flooded.
Oh yeah, that's flooded as shit.
Here, let me see. Yeah, I'm not trying to get my pants completely wet.
Yeah, I always wish I could go there.
Yeah, there's probably some interesting stuff in there.
Yeah, probably no one ever goes in there.
Yeah, seriously.
This is crazy, man.
Yeah, we still got all the other floors though.
Maybe if we're feeling daring enough when we check out the rest of the place.
Find some shit.
Or we'll go from the other side.
Yeah.
So, what order do you want to go in? Want to explore the first floor or
Bring us to the cool stuff we see.
cool stuff? Well, I don't know. Well, the roof is pretty cool. It's cold out there. We'll go over there. That's pretty cool.
So Joe, is there any windows we need to be worrying about right now? Like
Windows, like
the flashlights?
no, nothing's open on the ground level. I don't think anyone goes back there.
Wow, look at that, man. Dial-up phone.
Yeah.
That's like a for keeping time of like hours and stuff.
This is a clock. Yeah, you clock in. Right. Well, no. These are like offices or something.
Yeah. All these lights fell down.
Yeah.
It's kind of like when I could restore this because remember, or wait, you weren't here when I did the health wing on Ivic.
No.
No? Well, I installed a lot of those kind of lights.
Oh, here's the bathrooms.
These, yeah.
What's up, Logan?
It's like a whole city. Oh, look at this, dude. It's a vault door.
Oh wow. Like a safe?
Oh yeah. What do you think they kept in here?
I don't know. We had shelves with like money or records or something.
Look at these tiles.
Yeah.
Wow, they're just coming up.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Well, let's go see. Wanna go see that bathroom or?
Nah, it's probably nasty. We can go check it out though.
In here?
No, he's talking about the bathroom.
Let's back that way.
Oh, that's fucking creepy, dude.
What, this?
Just the long hallways behind us.
Oh, this isn't the bathroom.
I don't know what this is. Some kind of office?
If
Conference room?
if you require assistance, please inquire with them between 5 and 8.
I think they haven't done anything. How new does it look?
Man, this one is one shit right here that looks like early 80s.
Yeah, I think this...
Dude, I just scared the shit out of myself. Oh my god.
Why?
Because like when I move my flashlight like this, like move your flashlight like that, it looks like that door opens down there. You see that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, wait a minute.
Oh, this is pretty old. This isn't recent. I was afraid they just put, like, a security system. They're probably not.
No, man, there's no reason to now.
Yeah.
They've already had too many people come in here and shit.
Joe, this could be the girls' bathroom. Oh, this is guys. Smells like shit.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, is that shit?
Yeah, that's feces. Let's get out of this room.
Ugh.
Joe, come on, stop fucking peeping, creep.
Oh, there's like a door in the ceiling.
Yeah, I heard that shit. Heard like a thump over there. Probably you in there, but. Hello, man.
There's more.
Yeah, what's this?
I don't know.
Patient room, probably.
Danger formal hydride?
What?
What?
I don't know what this is.
I wouldn't open it.
Come on, you should open it.
Shit, open it.
What the hell is this?
I don't know, Joe.
Someone tore out. There's a whole bunch of sinks, and they got torn out. More bathroom. Hallways out there. I don't even know what this is on the walls. This looks like a laboratory.
Yeah, what the hell, man?
Laboratory, right?
Yeah, this is probably where they glue shit, like studying diseases.
Hey, look at there's dominoes.
Something's crazy is gonna happen if you knock them down.
I hope so.
What is that? Speaker?
No, this is
That's a shower.
yeah, it's a shower.
For like hazard, like chemical hazard.
Yeah, this had to have been a
Chemical
lab.
hazards.
What is this, man?
Kitchen. Oh, dude, that's where they probably stored like
Organs? I don't know.
like
What is this?
I don't know. It sounds stupid when I
It's a
say it.
CO2 incubator.
Yeah, like they
Oh,
grew.
well,
they
no,
probably
yeah.
grew like skin in here, like
Skin
skin grafts
grafts?
and shit.
Who knows? Whoa, man. Oh, this is a dishwasher.
It doesn't look like maybe it's for
Washing.
test tubes?
Yeah, test tube.
Precision Scientific. That's for something else. Very fucking interesting.
Oh, look at this counter.
Steam?
Intercom system, I think, maybe.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Yeah, this is a lot more advanced than it looks like from the outside. I never knew what was in here before I started going. Like, no clue that they had all this stuff in here.
Visual. Fire door, keep closed at all times.
What's in the house?
That's an exit right there.
Ooh. This is like a good place to camp out. Like, there's
Like
no
staying
mold.
here with me.
There's no mold. Or is there?
I mean, there's mold everywhere in the air here.
I don't know.
Yeah, you know how bad this asbestos is in here, probably.
Well, this part is from the 70s.
Yeah, this is all mold, Joe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I can smell it.
Yep.
It's a fucking maze, dude.
Another bathroom.
Holy shit, it just keeps going.
The door. Oh, you know what?
These are all patient rooms.
Are you sure about that?
No.
It's not that.
Look at this fire hose. It's relatively unused.
People
Wow.
who are in here, that they made those ropes.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Those ropes that we use, they're actually fire hoses.
Dude, this is an X-ray machine. I'm gonna take a picture for my mom. Because this is what she's studying in school right now.
Oh wow. The dead raccoon nearby. There are dead raccoons in here. There used to be a wall or something in here.
Oh, smells like something's dead in here.
That was my ass.
I don't know about that, man.
Ow.
What is this? 5 minutes after.
Those
9 minutes.
those are probably things where they put on the MRI
Oh yeah.
or the X-ray. Like right next to the bone.
Dude, this was an operating room. Look at these lights.
Maybe. Are they? I don't.
This very well could have been.
It's either that or this is where they form the X-ray pictures.
Maybe
Yeah.
that was it. Maybe that's what it
Because you have
was.
to look at, Calder, here's where they would take pictures through here. And this would
Oh yeah.
stop all the X-rays from coming through the cancers.
What is that thing? Like a bed?
Who knows?
There's like a drain back there.
That was where they drained the bodies. I'm just kidding.
Start, stop,
So this was a machine room or something.
something like that.
Probably on the other side of this wall. Yeah.
Oh shit, you just messed with the window.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's glass in there.
Oh shit.
Maybe that was records.
Yeah, look at it's all records.
Carpet.
Hey, in the basement, Joe. I was watching some videos that said
Yeah.
there's a bunch of records down there.
There's the blueprints. There are. You know what we should do?
Still
Remember
has
the
details.
red brick building that was on Seminary?
Yeah.
I want to explore the roof of that. 'Cause I don't know, but I think there's a tunnel that goes to Bardwell School across the street. But I think it was just they just covered the tunnel.
Just making sure, but you know your way out of here, right?
Oh yeah.
Hey, this is for an MRI machine.
Oh,
That's to hold down the magnet.
really? There's a huge
Mhm.
magnet.
No, that's not it. It's just to hold down the machine with the
Okay.
big magnet in it, because it spins at like 1,000 miles an hour.
Oh, and that thing could kill someone if that came on. Oh. It's the kind of
like a-
environmental unit.
It's like an air filter or something.
Who had their kids in here playing, man?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
There actually are kids, like I've seen 5th graders come here before.
Oh shit, sorry, John.
Oh, that's hard.
I know.
Like, what is that? That's like a remote control airplane.
Yeah, look at that.
Seaplane.
Like, what's that?
Probably had a homeless family living here. I can't even pop this ball up. It's so hard. There's no grip on it at all.
Yeah, look at all these steel walls. That was definitely an MRI machine in there.
What's this thing? It looks like a dumbwaiter.
What the fuck? Oh, it's a water filter, right?
Yeah.
Take a look at this. It looks like a dumbwaiter. It brings stuff to the second level.